What up guys, it's Jude. In this video, we are going to be looking at DeFi and liquidity pools, as we know that that is one of the most financially rewarding sectors in the crypto space in 2021. Now, many centralized exchanges have launched their DeFi platform, and today we will be looking at the DeFi platform of an exchange that has been existing for some time now, and that is Yobit. Now on Yobit, farming profitability is quite high and you can trade anonymously with very low transaction fee. Also, there's a contest going on right now where $30,000 are split among the top 20 traders with the highest trade volume. So in this video, I will show you how to use the swap feature and practically how to invest BTC and Doge in the Yobit DeFi liquidity pool. But before we go into Yobit DeFi, let me tell you a little about the exchange. So if Yobit is new to you, here is everything you need to know about the exchange. Now, Yobit was created in 2014 and was one of the first crypto exchanges where you can trade anonymously. That is, you don't need KYC to use the exchange. Yobit exchange has never been hacked, and it allows deposits of fiat currencies and withdrawals in different payment methods. A lot of persons have earned good income on Yobit through the many airdrops, launches and ICOs and staking and other products. I actually created my Yobit account in 2017. Now, however, you have to do your own research when trading any coin or participating in an IEO on Yobit, as some of the coins listed in the past have been pump and dump. Also, make sure you keep your authentication key safe, because if you lose it, you might not be able to get access into your Yobit account anymore. Now let's move on to the Yobit DeFi. On the main page, you will see the available pools for exchanges and providing liquidity. The exchange is at the top, the liquidity pool below, and the market section by the left. Here, you can see that there are 17 pools currently available on Yobit, and you can switch between them and see their annual percentage profitability in the YP column. The swap features are similar to popular dexes like MarketSwap and Uniswap, but it allows you to do everything on one screen. Everything fits on one screen. You don't need a third-party app like MetaMask. The swapping of coins are instant. The need to wait for network confirmation is completely eliminated. The exchange is centralized, so you are working with real assets. You don't need to use a wrapped version of coins to bring it to the same blockchain as you do on decentralized exchanges. The transaction fee here is 0.3%. 0.05% goes to the support of the Yobit token, which is a good incentive to keep the token, and 0.2 goes to liquidity providers, and these are those that provide liquidity to the liquidity pool. Also, you can withdraw fiat. Say you swap USDT to USD, you can withdraw this USD through gateways like Perfect Money, ADV Cash or Payer, and still you can do this without providing KYC. Now, let me share my screen with you to show you how to provide liquidity on Yobit DeFi. So guys, we are on Yobit. Now let me go to the wallet section. So here you will see that I have Doge and BTC, about over $1,000 worth. Now, but if you check the liquidity section, to provide liquidity to Doge BTC liquidity pool, the yield is about 0.6%, which is really low. So if you go down here, you see for Doge USDT is 14.19%, so that is high. So what I want to do is to swap my BTC to USDT, then use it to provide liquidity in the USDT Doge liquidity pool. To do that, let me click on the home page. To get back to the home page, then I'll click on this is BTC USDT. So what I will do is to swap my BTC for USDT. Click on maximum here and then swap. So I now have if you go down here, I now have $938 and $3,797. So to provide liquidity, I can just add the amounts I want to use to provide liquidity. So let me add all my Doge, 3797. So what I require is 915 USDT. So I have 938, which is enough. So I could just click on add liquidity here, or add maximum if I want to add everything. All right, let me click on add maximum. So yeah, that is how it works. So I've added liquidity to this pool, and I can now earn 14% YP. So this is how it works. I've shown you how to swap coins on Yobit and how to add liquidity. As you can see, it's really, really simple. Now let's get back to the video. Now let's talk about the $30,000 up for grabs on the Yobit DeFi contest, and this happens every day. So Yobit has organized a daily competition for everyone who makes swap in DeFi. So every day, the top 20 users with the most trading volume on DeFi receives prize ranging from $100 to $20,000. That is, in total, the exchange raffles more than $30,000 every single day. Thus, you can simply raise coins on DeFi with minimal fee and profit from winning the competition, which will pay you back your transaction cost many times over. So for example, on September 4th, a person with 0.51 BTC total swap volume, right, won the prize of $1,200. Now, the transaction fee he spent here was just 0.00153 BTC, which is less than $100. So this person earned more than 1,100, right, just by exchanging a coin back and forth. Maybe he was actually trading and making profits from this trade. You can actually recommend Yobit DeFi and the contest to your friend and earn good money from their referral program, because the more your friends swap, the more the referral reward you get. So they can use the swap features to buy the coin when it goes down and sell when it goes high to cover their transaction fee. So you can go ahead and register on the exchange and participate in the DeFi. If you have any question, there is 24/7 support on their Telegram channel. All links are in the description, and this will bring us to the end of this video. I want to especially thank Yobit for sponsoring this video. I'll also be in the comment section to take your questions and read your contribution. Give us a like if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not, and click on the bell icon to get notified when I release my next video. I will see you in the next video. Bye.